Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, what have we got for you today? Well, we've got for you another gorgeous pen. Can you guess what it is? Of course you can, there's the clue. What we've got for you today is an absolutely stunning Conway Stewart fountain pen. Now this model is the Conway Stewart number 76. Now for you regular viewers, you'll know that I've actually shown you this particular colour before, but I don't think I've actually shown you this specific model. So let's get on with it. So we've got the Conway Stewart number 76. The pen is from circa, it's from around about sort of mid 1950s, 1958, and it went through to the early 1960s. This pen only came in, well, a number of colours, being they came in a black colour. They also came in this, what we term, for you people that don't know, this green herringbone colour or pattern, and they also brought them out in the blue and the red herringbone patterns. So as far as I'm aware, that's the only colours they brought this particular pen out in. The size of the pen, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, around about 136 millimeters capped. Around the diameter of the barrel, it's a nice 10.5 millimeters in diameter. So as you can see, it's quite a long pen, and quite a slim one as well. But as I say, comes in this very sought after, very collectible green herringbone. Unfortunately, once again, it's not my pen, it's a customer of mine, came in for a service, so unfortunately this beautiful pen has to go back home, but never mind. So we've got gold filled trim. If we take you up to the lever there, you can see it's got the very traditional Conway Stewart lever with a Conway Stewart logo to the end there. If we take you up to the cap, a little bit unusual on this occasion is that the cap band on this model is quite a wide cap band, and as you'll see around the edges there, it's got this sort of, it's what they term as a serrated band. It's got these serrated patterns at the edges of the band there, as you can see. And as we showed you earlier, there you go, the very recognisable Conway Stewart diamond clip. And if you can see to the very top of the clip there, we've got the diamond Conway Stewart logo. To the very top, there we go, we've got this peat black stud to the top of the cap there, and that sort of complements the end of the barrel there. The end of the barrel is also black and slightly peaked as well. Let's show you the barrel imprint. I've highlighted it for you so it makes it a little bit clearer to see, and nice and simple. As you can see, it says Conway Stewart 76, and underneath made in England. Let's give you another little view there. So all in all, lovely barrel imprint as well, and again an absolutely stunning colour, very sought after colour as well. These herringbone patterns and colours are very sought after within the sort of Conway Stewart community. So let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's give you the customary twirls of the pen. Okay, there we go. Let's pop the cap down, and as I said, it's quite a long pen, and with my large hands it's still a nice comfortable pen to hold. Let's take you up to the section there. Okay, a standard Conway Stewart black section. You can see it's got this slight ridge towards the nib there, and the nice thing about this pen, although it's not a Joro nib, which is generally the larger nibs within the Conway Stewart range, it's got quite a large nib. And if I keep it still for you, you'll see it reads Conway Stewart 14 karat gold, and you'll see the number 5. So it's a number 5 nib. And as you can see there, you can see the shoulders on the nib are quite wide. So it is quite a large nib, a very nice nib. And as always, everything's been lovely and cleaned. There's a sideways view. We've put a new sack in the pen. As I say, everything has been cleaned as it should be. And there you go, the feed underneath, lovely and clean. Okay, so that's the lovely nib on the pen. As I said, a lovely pen to write. Pardon? Yes, I know. I can hear you shouting already. Right, I don't normally do it because, as I say, it's been fully sort of serviced, new sacks. So what I'll do, we'll fill it, we'll write with it, and then we'll swill it out, ready for it to go back home to its new owner. Well, it's not a new owner. He actually sent it to me, so it just came to me for a service. Okay, lots of bubbling going on, which is what we want to see. Let's wipe the section and the nib. A little bit of ink on our finger there. Let's get rid of that. Let's bring on our little pad and let's see how the pen writes. So what we have is a Conway Stewart. Okay, we're just waiting for this sort of the ink to come through. There we go, that's a little bit better. Everything, as I say, it's the first time it's been tested since, as always, since I've actually serviced the pen. It's writing nicely. There's no variation in line. There's no flex to the nib. It's quite a hard nib. We're dating it 1958 through to the early 1960s. As we said, made in England, and it's in this green herringbone pattern. Okay, so I would say writing with a fine line. Okay, maybe going through to medium. No variation in the line. It's quite a hard nib. So there's the writing sample for you. But all in all, another pen that I sort of regret having to send back. I don't actually have one of these in my collection. Yes, maybe one day we'll find one for the collection. But there we have it, a lovely Conway Stewart 76 in a gorgeous green herringbone pattern, as you can see there, with this, as I said, slightly unusual serrated cap band in beautiful condition. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Leave a comment below, don't be shy. Have you subscribed? If not, why not? Subscribe, and if you possibly can, please support my work. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.